G'day guys, before anything else I'm going to do my disclaimer. I don't prepare my videos, I don't have a script, and I don't have a production to do it for me. It's me just doing these videos right now, so if it suck, well, it is what it is. Anyway, we're going to discuss right now, I'm going to tell you about my GW60 from zhiyun. It's the Molus, and it's a very good light, but as what I've filmed before, I hate it because, no, let me iterate that. I hate that it has specific power on it. Like I can plug the plug here, but the thing is it's not the same. You can't get the full power of it, and there's no portable ways to mount power. It has to be somewhere else. Like you can mount it on the light stand and everything. I want everything to be like compact because I have the Aperture Amaran 60X, which is lighting us now, and I like that the V-mount's mounted inside. So I'm gonna do a DIY. I'm gonna have this smallrig, it's quite not shiny, this smallrig V-mount to be mounted on the side here. You can't mount it anywhere because the thing is, yeah, there are vents all over the place. So yeah, it's gonna be, you don't want airflow to be covered. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna stick something here, mount this V-mount here. That way when I'm using it, it's gonna look like that. V-mount's gonna be there. So I have this one from smallrig. I used to mount this on the light stand. I'm gonna remove this and have it mounted here. So I still need to remove this part here and mount it to this side. That way I can mount this V-mount there. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. I'm still gonna study. Actually, I'm making this video right now and I haven't done the final study. I just need to look inside what's under this sign here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have these ones here. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Let me just try to change the setting so that it won't focus on my face. So I'm gonna have this one here, which is they're like the things you sink into plastic or anything that it has the grooves on, and it mounts to this screw. I don't know if you see it, but just too lazy to film it properly. But anyway, I'm gonna try to sink these ones in here so that I can screw in that that V-mount. That V-mount. I don't know. Can't think right now. Yeah, this one here. See this? Okay, so we're gonna sink that one here and let it go inside light. It's not focusing. What the fuck? So yeah, here you go. So yeah, let's see how we go, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Well, as you all know, I'm just gonna speak English because this is just one take, and I don't want to be like making a take two and doing the bisaya again because I'm doing 2 vlogs right now. But first things first, I'm gonna try to check what's in here. So yeah, we'll see what's in here, and yeah, we'll see what's in here. Anyway, I'm gonna try to fix my focus. First things first, we're gonna try to open this and check if we can see whatever's inside. If we mess up, we mess up. So yeah, where did I put the freaking thing? So yeah, I'm just gonna go on and go as I go. Go as I go. What the fuck? Okay, let's. So first things first, we're gonna try to check what's inside, and hope that it's fine. Focus now. Ah, sucks, man. After removing it, it's just okay. So it's just that after removing it. So nothing we can do here unless we want to break it, but nah, damn it. Yeah. Oh shit. Just fuck. There's a glass. There's glass there. So let's put it back because there's no point. There's no point Putting it back. So there's glass in front in case if you hit the, you're afraid to hit the lead. So there's glass up front. Oh, big one. So we're gonna open this shits here and see how we go. I have this cheapo. Oh fuck, it's much bigger. I have this cheapo's pair of Allen wrenches, which sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. Okay, there you go. Okay. So removing it from this mount here. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount this thing here, but make sure that we don't hit this one. So this is just one of the things we need to make sure we don't hit. Put it this way. It's going to be out here. Damn it. This thing's making it hard. So, I can put it that way. Because this thing's going to be here. Aha, got it. This is going to be here, so it's okay to have it up front. So we're just going to make it. It's going to have it mounted to this two only. So, yeah. See how we go. We'll see how we go. So, yep, came back. So what we need to do is we're going to try to mount this one here. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to mount it here because the thing is this will not impede the adjusting knob. And this one's gonna go to here, so it's not gonna affect anything, hopefully. Okay, so just because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna Dremel it out here, but I'm gonna Dremel it lazily. So yeah, gonna be lazy, and obviously it's not working because it's so dumb. Okay, I hate it when people try to use the wrong tools for the job, but for this case, I'm using the wrong tool, so I'm doing what I hate. So forgive me, guys. So where were we? It's just the both worlds in me wants to do this right. Okay. That's a bit messed up. So, yeah. Let's do this. Oopsie. That should be. So this is just me being. Oh fuck! I messed it up. This is just me being lazy. Okay, here we go. Okay. So that should be annoying. You know it's annoying when it is. So yeah, made the first hole. Gonna do the second one. So yeah, we drilled it. Let me test if I broke it or not. So just to be sure. Okay. Yep. Oh. Okay. I didn't break it yet. It's still working. So it should be fine. Okay. Bigger hole. Bigger holes. I broke it. Fuck. Oh, I didn't break it. Ooh. Oh, I didn't break it. Yeah, I went to the components. I can see the components up here, so just be careful with that. But I was scared of breaking it. Damn it. That was scary. So let's start with the bottom one. So just heat this thing. Slow punch it. It's not working. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck. I know it was gonna happen. I know that was gonna happen. Fuck. Okay, so closer inspection, this is what I got. So we still have airflow here, and airflow here. And also I added an ARCA plate here. That way it's going to mount to the ARCA base, ARCA mount. And yeah, that way I hate it when I try to put this on a light stand and I keep on turning this around a light stand. So yeah, this is a easy attachment to a light stand. And yeah, here is the smallrig ARCA plate. So the button's down here, that way it's not protruding. When you put it on your bag, it doesn't protrude here. And yeah, so just put the V-mount there. So once the V-mount's there, it's gonna be like off, but that doesn't matter because it'll be on the light stand. So it's not gonna be on your bag. So here it is. And I have this short USB-C mount, so like I can just do this, and basically this is it. So yeah, working, done. Yeah, so here's the final product. Just drilled some holes up there as what you saw earlier, and the mount's there, and this thing is in here so that it's not gonna be out here. Still flush on top, and yeah, you can also roll this one, adjust it, but once the V-mount's here, it's gonna be hard for you to adjust. So that's it. And yeah, here it is. You just use the V-mount, plug it up there, got a short USB-C, and mount it there. And yeah, oh, let me just do it the other way. Okay, I'm gonna have the L part of my USB-C and plug it there. So yeah, it's gonna look like this. Come on, focus, mate. This is how you go. And you see it's protruding up here, but it's okay because it's gonna be up on the light stand. If it's not gonna be on your bag, you're gonna remove this, and you make sure that there's nothing up here on top that we can put in your bag, and this one here is like covered, so the only thing is just protruding a bit there, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a test drive. I'll be heading to Sydney tomorrow, and I'll be shooting a wedding tomorrow. Yeah, that means Saturday, like 1.5 day. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, so that's it. I gotta stop blabbering.